Litia Rosi from the hills of rock where the river shine, a village girl with a simple life. Litia Rosi, strong and kind, dreaming the more beyond the time. Working inside my booty, day by day. Housekeeping life, she found her way. Caring for us, heart so frail. With gentle hands, she would never fail. Chaka vaka maloro ya nakasea lona sava sava esega ni rawa rawa na gauni sala ya etu kabua na no sadibula ya do masulo na bogi na siga me do lava na kalo etu anaka tu baba. It was a life-changing opportunity. Saw a door from heaven open wide. From Fiji shores to Australian dreams, she spread her wings and learned to fly. No more fear, no turning back. Her future shining bright and true. Litia Rosi, your time has come, and a brand new life is waiting for you. Sadona kauna, veisata kibula, sadona mona katuba na kalodina. Mai vite ki osi terelele, sabakato donu, narona sala, sabi uta life in a rere keina rara, wasachi lama eli una nona gauna. Litia Rosi sai kona nomo gauna, sa waki kona buddha boni matra. Cause she changed her path in PTC school. Money go night, she paid her dues. From hobby to profession strong, she knew inside she must move on. Life surprised her, sudden and fast. A plane ticket came, her chance to last. From nutty runaway, tears in her eyes, she kissed her home and chased the sky. Hey, PTC vuli kina vaka kawa, mai mane kawa tubo na mama kila. Esega ni talega makidoa lega, sa fuki mi tabini nona tula. Sayako vaka so inabe isa ulevo, sayako maina gauna ni talo gata fo. Maina ni emu kita ni lamatana, eto trana wani mata ni bihu tana banua. They say girl don't be afraid, era kaya muka kuwa nerere. Your hard work has made the way. Na nomo chaka chaka sado lava na sala, a cosa sia brava.